Have you ever felt that an invisible force shapes every decision you make? That force is your core beliefs. These beliefs deeply impact every aspect of your life: career, relationships, and mental health. However, if these beliefs are negative, they can hinder your growth. In today's video, we'll dive deep into understanding core beliefs and learn how to transform them into positive ones. So let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Syed M Quadri, a psychiatrist. In today's video, we'll discuss core beliefs, the invisible force that controls your thoughts and emotions. We'll explore how these beliefs are formed, how they affect your daily life decisions, and most importantly, how to transform them into positive ones. So let's begin and understand what core beliefs are with some practical examples. Core beliefs are the deeply rooted thoughts that control your every thought, action, and behavior. These beliefs act as the blueprint of your life. If your beliefs are positive, you move forward with confidence. However, if your beliefs are negative, they can hinder your progress. If your belief is, "I can never achieve anything," this thought will keep you away from every opportunity. You'll fear trying new things and set yourself up for failure. On the other hand, if your belief is, "I can overcome any challenge," you will face challenges with confidence. This difference shapes every decision you make. Are your core beliefs helping you move forward or holding you back? Share in the comments. Now that we understand what core beliefs are, let's dive deeper to understand where they come from, how they are formed, and how they impact or motivate us. Do you also think that core beliefs are formed instantly on their own? Well, that's not true. Core beliefs are not formed randomly. They are shaped by your childhood experiences, family, influences, and societal norms. Both positive and negative experiences contribute to their formation. Imagine someone told you in your childhood, "You'll never achieve anything big." This comment got embedded in your subconscious mind and turned into a negative belief, which might still be impacting your confidence today. On the other hand, if your parents told you as a child, "You can achieve anything you set your mind to," this belief became your strength. This positive belief boosts your growth and helps you succeed. Have your childhood experiences shaped your beliefs? Reflect on it and share in the comments. Experiences like these create both negative and positive core beliefs within us. Let's now explore how these negative and positive core beliefs affect us. Positive and negative beliefs deeply influence your thoughts, emotions, and decisions. Let's look at them in different categories. Let's first look at positive beliefs. 1. I can improve myself. This belief gives you the courage to turn every failure into a learning opportunity. 2. I have the strength to solve any problem. This belief keeps you calm and focused. 3. I can build good relationships with others. This belief helps you build trust and foster healthy relationships. 4. I can achieve financial stability. This belief boosts your confidence in your career and investments. 5. I am happy with myself. This belief promotes inner peace and self-contentment. Now let's look at negative beliefs. 1. I always make mistakes. This belief increases self-doubt and guilt. 2. Others are better than me. This thought forces you to overlook your own strengths. 3. Nobody understands me. This belief makes you feel isolated. 4. I can never succeed. This thought makes you give up even before you try. 5. The world is always against me. This belief fosters cynicism and negativity. Which of these beliefs affects your life the most? Whether positive or negative, share your thoughts in the comments. These thoughts, emotions, and decisions are the foundation of our positive and negative core beliefs. Now let's explore how to transform negative beliefs into positive ones. Transforming negative beliefs into positive ones is possible, but it requires awareness and consistent effort. 1. Understand where the negative belief originated from. 2. Logically question your belief. 3. Develop a realistic and empowering alternative to your negative belief. 4. Reinforce the new thought repeatedly. 5. Focus on examples that support your new belief. If your belief is, "I can never be a good speaker," start with small steps like participating in group discussions. Every small success will boost your confidence and gradually transform your belief. Are you ready to change your beliefs? Share in the comments which belief you want to transform. Shifting core beliefs is the biggest step towards self-growth. It doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you can completely change your mindset and life. If you believed people will judge me and shift it to people want to hear what I have to say, you will notice a drastic improvement in your relationships and public interactions. Your core beliefs are the foundation of your life. Understanding and transforming them may be challenging, but it is entirely possible. With self-awareness, patience, and consistent practice, you can make your life happier, more confident, and successful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below which belief you are ready to transform. In the next video, we'll talk about simple tips to boost your self-confidence. Thank you for watching.